In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wizz Air claim. Whether your flight was delayed, canceled, or you're seeking a refund, I'll show you exactly where to click on the Wizz Air website and share tips to help your submission go smoothly. Start by opening the Wizz Air website in your browser. Scroll all the way down the homepage until you see the Help Center link. On mobile, this may be in the site menu, but the wording is the same. Click Help Center to open Wizz Air Support Hub. This page collects all official guidance, so using it ensures you're following the airline's current process rather than outdated instructions found elsewhere. Once you're in the Help Center, look for the section titled Delay, Cancellation, and Refund and click it. This area is dedicated to service disruptions and money-back requests. It's the fastest route to the policies and forms that apply when your flight arrived late, was called off, or you need a refund according to your fare rules or passenger rights. On the next page, select Claims and Compensation. This is where Wizz Air outlines eligibility, what documents they require, and what kind of outcomes you can expect. It's a good moment to quickly review the guidance on compensation thresholds and timelines, so you know what information to prepare before starting the form. Now click the button labeled Claim Submission. This opens the official online form used to file your request. If you're logged in, some details may autofill. If not, that's fine. You can complete everything manually. Using the airline's form rather than third-party services helps keep your case direct and traceable. Follow the steps of the claim submission carefully. Have your booking reference, passenger name as on the ticket, flight number and date, and your contact details ready. Choose the correct claim type, describe what happened clearly and factually, and upload supporting documents such as your booking confirmation, boarding pass, and any receipts for reasonable expenses you're claiming. Enter payment details only if the form requests them for compensation or reimbursements. Make sure names, dates, and times match your documents exactly, and double-check your email address so you receive updates. If multiple passengers are involved, submit separate claims when the form asks for one passenger per submission. Before sending, review every field, accept the required declarations, and submit. You should see a confirmation on screen. Save the claim or reference number, and watch your inbox, including spam, for follow-ups. Processing can take time, but accurate, complete information helps avoid delays.